How to fix owner choice earbuds X5 not connecting. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is you can simply check the following before connecting your phone to your Bluetooth headphones. The Bluetooth earphones are powered on and in pairing modes. The distance between your phone and the earphones does not exceed the valid Bluetooth range, which is 10 meter. Operations for the Bluetooth devices to enter pairing mode will vary depending on the device's brand and model. So you need to follow the instructions in the corresponding user guide or consult the customer service for the Bluetooth earphones. Now, in order to fix the Bluetooth connection issues, you need to set the earphones to enter into the pairing mode. For that, you need to power on the earphones and open the charging case. Then press and hold the power button on the earphones or the button on the charging case for 8 seconds until the indicator flashes. Use the two phones to search for the earphones. If the earphones cannot be found on either of the phones, the earphones may be faulty. Then you need to try to restart the Bluetooth on your phone and try again. Reset your phone settings and try again. To reset your phone settings, you need to go to the settings, then go to system and updates. There you will be able to see the reset option. So you need to touch the reset all settings and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the operation. The earphones disconnect automatically, so you need to check whether your phone is outside of the Bluetooth range of the earphones, because sometimes it can disconnect automatically, or this might be the reason why your phone cannot be find the Bluetooth earphones. Then you need to use another phone to connect the earphones. If the same issue occurs, the earphones may be faulty. For that, you can again try to reset your phone settings. um, you need to set the earphones to enter the pairing mode and pair with them again. To do so, you need to power on the earphones or open the charging case, then press and hold the power button on the earphones or the button on the charging case for 8 seconds until the indicator flashes. If the issues cannot be resolved, you need to back up your data and take your device and proof of purchase to the owner authorized service center for further assistance. So these are some of the fixes that you can try in order to resolve your problem. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.